Today's AI question is one that I know a lot of people have. We hear words like AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI all the time. But most people do not know the difference. So I'm going to ask Mike to break it down in the simplest way possible. We're still on the AI beginner series. Hold on, guys. Hi, Mike. So AI can sound confusing. Can you please explain the difference between AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI in simple beginner AI language?
You know what? Follow me. Give me 2 minutes. Let me break it down. We begin with artificial intelligence. Think of artificial intelligence as a big umbrella. AI means we're trying to make computers do things that usually need human intelligence, like answering questions, recognizing voices, finding patterns, and helping us make better decisions. So think of artificial intelligence as an entire school. Now hold that thought. Let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning is inside AI. Machine learning means the computer learns from examples instead of telling it every single rule. For example, instead of training a computer to say a cat must have eyes, ears, whiskers, and a tail, what we do is we show the computer or the machine many pictures of cats. After seeing many examples, it starts to notice what cats usually look like. So machine learning is when the computer learns from examples. Now hold that thought. Now that you've understood what machine learning is, we're going to go to deep learning. Deep learning is inside machine learning. Deep learning is a more powerful type of machine learning. It uses many layers to learn harder things. Think of deep learning like a child learning step by step. First, the child sees shapes, then eyes, then ears, then faces, then the full picture. Deep learning helps computers understand complex things like faces, voices, languages, and images. Now, that is very important because deep learning builds the foundation on what we're going to speak next on, which is generative AI. What is generative AI? Generative AI is inside deep learning and is basically a type of AI that allows you to create something new. So when we talk about generative AI, it means we must create something new. And that's why it's called generative AI. So AI that generates. Why is that important? Because every time you ask an AI to create a story, to create a picture, or to write computer code, what you're basically doing is you're activating generative AI. Now, let me give you a quick way to remember this. AI, big idea. Machine learning, learn from examples. Deep learning, complex patterns. And remember, generative AI creates something new. I hope I have been able to clearly explain the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Follow for more AI beginner tips. Thank you. See you in the next video.